Most adults think it takes years to be able to play the violin really fast. But hundreds of my students could play advanced songs like Paganini Moto Perpetuo just by practicing one simple exercise with my acceleration protocol. So today I will first show you which exercise to practice, but more importantly, how to practice it step by step with only 15 minutes a day to play super fast in a matter of weeks. And then I will show you 3 common mistakes most beginners make that you need to fix first to actually play more difficult songs. So first, let us see what is the best exercise to play fast on the violin. So you can see it here. It's very simple, and the most important thing that will be how to practice it. And you know, I read more than 800 books, and when you look at the best one like Moser Violin Schule or Chef Sick Violin Technique or Carl Fleisch Scalen System, or even, Schradieck. This is really the simplest and most effective exercise. So let us see exactly what it is. So basically, this is only a scale on the A string. That means you will start from the open string, then you will play the B with the first finger, C sharp with the second finger, D with the third finger, E with the fourth finger. And then you come back. And by doing that, you will play with the second finger pattern, with the second or the third finger together. Now let us see the acceleration protocol to master this. That's part of the Violin Pyramid Method, and it combines the best method of the best teacher in history to play faster. And that's something I could give our students in level 2. The first step will be to define your tempo goal, and you could start as slow as with tempo 40 and go as high as tempo 160 like I played at the beginning of this video. Then you will start playing it in half note. I will use tempo 90 for today. And so on. And then I will move on to quarter note, and I will play 2 per bows, like that. After that, that's where I will start doing 2 notes fast and then a pause. Yeah, I don't need a metronome, I just want to play 2 notes super fast and then make a long pause. 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 So here the principle is that we always want to automate 2 notes at a time and then let time to prepare the next 2 ones. And more generally, you will notice that the acceleration protocol, we start with the slowest speed and then we play more and more notes per beats, but at the same time we have some steps in between that really help us go from slow to fast. And by the way, if you're an adult beginner and want to learn to play the violin beautifully, we are organizing a free violin masterclass. You will find the link below this video. After you did that, you want to do the same but offset everything by 1 so that you practice the other half of all transition. That means I will play the first note alone. 1, 1, 1, 1. And you want to do that détaché, that means without slurs, because that will really increase your synchronization between the left hand and the bow. Then you can start playing it in 8th note with 4 notes per bow. Then we'll move to 3 note fast and a pause, like this. Pause. 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 And so on. And then the same, we'll offset everything by 1. 1, 1, 1, and so on. And then that's when you can move to 4 notes very fast. Like that. 1. And then the same with the offset variation. Alone and then 4. pause, pause, pause. And that's why you will be ready to go to the final version in 16th note with 4 notes per beat and 8 notes per bow. You okay? But then it's very important to practice all variations of it. Right now it was on the A string with the second finger pattern. Make sure to practice to the first finger pattern. It will look like this. Or to practice it with the third finger pattern, like that. It looks like that. Or the fourth finger pattern. And then on every string, the G string, or the D string, and the E string, of course. But what I would advise for you is to practice every day for 15 minutes, one string, one finger pattern with the entire acceleration protocol. But there is 3 common mistakes you really need to fix first if you want to be able to play harder pieces. The first one is that most beginners keep their finger way too far away from the string. And when they try to play fast, they can't because they need to move too much the fingers and the entire arms or wrist. Instead, you want to make sure that your fingers are close enough to the string that you can play every note by moving only the finger from the main knuckle here, without needing to move the arm or the wrist. And at the same time, you want to make sure that your fingers stay maximal 10 mm away from the string, like that. Then the second most common mistake is lifting every finger every time. That's very inefficient, because when you play down, that means you need to put the finger again on the string. Let me demonstrate. Now I play down and I need to put the finger again on the string. Instead, if I had leave the finger on the string, I need only to lift my fingers. That's way more precise, accurate, and easy to do. And the first mistake is to press the finger very hard on the string instead of articulating very clearly every finger. What it means is that instead of pressing with each finger on the string, that will make you very slow. What you want to do instead is moving every finger very quickly. That means bringing the finger quickly on the string, and then lifting it very quickly, but without strength. It's just moving the finger very quickly up and down. And please, please, please don't forget, anybody can learn to play the violin beautifully. It doesn't matter how talented you think you are or how old you are. With the right method, everybody can learn to play beautifully.